Across oil and gas operations, noise compliance is becoming more critical than ever. But worksites are constantly evolving. Equipment moves, operations expand, conditions change. Traditional acoustic infrastructure was never built for dynamic environments. Introducing the Hushtec Portable Hushwall System, a high-performance acoustic barrier engineered for fast deployment and operational flexibility. With modular construction, integrated ballast stability, and forklift-accessible mobility, Hushwall adapts alongside your operation without the need for permanent foundations. From temporary works to active production zones, Hushwall helps create controlled environments while keeping operations moving. Because modern sites require more than noise control. They require adaptable infrastructure built for performance. Hushwall Portable System by Hushtec. Operate longer, stay compliant, produce more, anywhere.